Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to tell you about artificial intelligence website. With the help of this website you can create user generated content style video for your product, or you can say for your advertisement purposes, and any kind of purpose that you want to use. So let's get into. First of all, open Google website, and you just need to type about hygiene AI video generator. So on this website I will show you with the help of a prompt to create an user generated content style video. So first of all I will open this website, and after clicking this website this kind of interface will open. On the front you can see there is a login sign up button, and here you can also see the pricing plans. This is the main page of this website, and total videos are generated. There are lots of videos have been generated. So as you can see that here it looks amazing. All these contents are created through AI. Okay, so first of all I will click on get started for free. I will also need to create an account over on this Hagen website. Okay, so it's just loading. So here I will click on this Google account and I will create my account on this Hagen AI website. So I will select my account and then I will click on the continue button to create my account on this website. Okay, so as you can see that our account has been successfully created on this website, and now it will redirect us to the main dashboard. So as you can see that our dashboard has been opened. On the left side you can see create button, you can see the video projects you are working on. Okay, you can see avatars as well. Here's, let's go with the create a video. So I've just clicked on the create a video. Now I will write my prompt here. We want in portrait video style. So as you can see that our video creation account dashboard has been opened. So you can select your avatar here. Let's see the available list of the avatars. I don't know why it's taking too much long. Maybe a lot of users are using this, so that's why it's taking time. So we will select this avatar. Okay, and we will write script over here. Let's write. I have a prompt like you can write this. I will write here Viber and switch to WhatsApp. Okay, I will write here as per my prompt. So this is my prompt. Now we will go with the, you can also select your expression here. Okay, let's see. As it's already selected as expressive model. Let's see.
I ditched Viber and switched to WhatsApp. I stopped using Viber and switched to WhatsApp. Here's why I'm not going back.
So as you can see that it has just voiced over our prompt, but this character is not moving yet. Let's see why it's not matching with the lip sync. Okay, let's go with the expressive mode. I have selected this one, and it will now add expressions, and you can available for unlimited use. Okay, after selecting this you will get your AI agent, like you can use a generated content style video with lip sync according to this script. So that's how you can create your own UGC, or you can say that avatar speaking or user generated content style videos for your product. Okay, for any kind of purpose you want to use. So after doing this you just need to click on this generate button and it will create a video, and then you can export it to your device. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.